Welcome back to Wizard 101. Now, we're getting right back into it and fighting some fire elves. Okay. How about you to die? High fire! Berry. Okay. Shut up, Sean. That's not funny anymore. No magma men. Fire elf. Hey! No. Dead trap. I put a dead trap on you. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why won't you just die? I know that there's a mission in Wizard City that send you on a quest to find various books. Luckily, now they added this book. No. Lucky Hookland is the official I got caught in the fisherman trap before. I know what I'll do. I'll go get, I'll go get a new spell. Now, the choice I have is whether to go to a storm and get a storm spell, go to this and get an ice spell, go here to get a fire spell, here to get a mist spell, or to get a life spell. Now, from my experience, life spells are rather weak in power, but they have healing spells, and rather than death scroll, they heal you the full amount. The death scroll only heals you half. Okay, now the myth scroll is a very solid scroll. Both my other Wizard 101 games, I've used myth as my primary scroll. There's a fire scroll, which could be good, or the ice scroll, which would be good in FIRECAT Alley, but I'm almost done FIRECAT Alley. So then there's a storm scroll, which would be good in Cyclops Lane, but in my experience, Storm Scroll has the lowest accuracy. Oh, I almost forgot. There's also the balance scroll, but balance scroll to me isn't worth a second thought, because in my opinion, well, from what I've seen, it has little to no attack moves. I think I'll go with fire. 1, 2, 3, fire! Hey, hey, hey! Okay. Hey! I love your hair. Professor.
I see you have trained your first damage over time spell. The Fire Elf spells like these require patience, but can be very powerful when used correctly.
Yeah, I know. It's another damage over time spell. Silly me, I forgot to get what level? Oh, 9. Yeah. You know what I think? Do you know what I think? I think that I'll take a break with Fire Elf Holly and go to Triton Avenue, the Thunder place. How much money do I have? No, I bet I can wait to refill my potion. Refill my potion! Refill my potion. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Ah, shut up, son. I want John to shut up. Susie!
So glad you came. I've been trying to get someone to help me. The headmaster sent you. Great! My brother and I can use the help. We are trying. My brother. Could you go see how my brother is doing?
No.
He should be just inside the haunted cave. Maybe he's identified the dark presence responsible for Wizard City's troubles.
I want to talk
So,
to this
Headmaster's
guy.
still worried about Malister. Malister, Ambrose, if you want to find out more about no? Oh, if you're interested, go talk to Gloria Crendel in Old Town and ask her about Sylvia Drake. Those two women were close. She could tell you more.
I might as well go to Haunted Cave. Oh, I suppose. I don't have time for it. Walk faster! God dang it. Dang it, Bobby. I suck at accents. Oh, fuck.
You find a broken wand just inside the haunted cave.
Oh no, a broken wand. Oh, really? Now I have to go all the way back? You guys suck. Everybody needs wood. Haha, penis joke. Ha ha, penis joke. I really should find a way to go faster. Aha! Go faster. Oh, cocktail. I want a cocktail. I want a beaver tail, which is a Canadian tea.
Did you find him? This is his wand. Something must have happened to him. I'll bet he was right about the haunted. Could you talk to Doug? He's a little snobbish, but he might have a clue as to my brother's whereabouts. Can you check with him, please?
Please?
Merle Ambrose sent another student to help out? I guess he thinks that Susie... Well, that's what happens when you... Susie says that her brother is missing? Ha! In the meantime, I would do it myself, but... I just ran out of treasure cards. It shouldn't be too hard. Just defeat some haunted minions and rotting fodders. Report back to me afterwards.
And another reason why the balance school is bad in my opinion is because all other schools only have 2 other schools that are good against them. But the balance school has 3 schools: life, death, and myth. Why won't you die? I want you to die. 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 Okay, I got it. Die! Shut up, Sean. Ha! I got it. Woohoo! 2 hunted minions. 3 more. Woohoo! I'm sorry if the recording is still weird, like the audio is off. I need some time to figure it out. Aww, he's cool. Oh no, I know it is, but it is what it is, and there's nothing you can do about it, Sean. Well, why not, Sean? Because, Sean, There's just no conceivable way. I might have to do it again. I swear I might. Yeah, here we go. Yay! Yay! I defeated some haunted minions. Now for the rotting foders. Who wants rotting fodders, honestly? I mean, if you're gonna have fodder, you want it to be fresh. Maybe this one. Exactly. That's how I say you get things done. It's funny. It's a zombie, but it's thunder. It's Thunder School. Lava. Okay, here we go. How nice of him to wait for me. You're a prince among zombies. Boba, blah, boba. What over there? Boba, oh, ow, that hurt my throat. Well, Josh, what the heck did you expect? I expected a little to float around laughing at me and then hit me with musical notes. That's what I expected. Well, totally disappointed. Oh, see what you did there. Okay. It seems I got it. Anyway. You. Players in this game tied here. Goodbye. Tied in this box. Yay! I'm hyper tonight, can't you tell? I can tell. Yay! Come on, what? Oh, God, I'm almost there.
You survived? I mean, that was fast. Those undead are not as tough as they seem, are they? So what did you learn?
Water.
What? Maybe you could ask Susie what she might know about this. And tell her I'm still trying to find out what happened to her brother.
I didn't read that.
What? Duncan needs my help?
What?
Wow, that's a first. Duncan is right. You don't normally find the undead using storm magic. Someone must have put them up to this. I have seen them wearing some kind of strange medallion. Battle some rotting fodders and collect these, then take them to Duncan. Maybe he will know why the undead have them.
Well, I'll continue with this tedious mission later. next episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week, until November 30th, when I'll do, I'm not sure, but that's when my winter schedule kicks in. Twitter and Instagram is in the description. If you liked it, you know what to do. Goodbye.